Now to go back to our Weather Authority Chief Meteorologist, Dan Cianco. Hey, Dan.
Hey there, Aaron. We're taking a live look from our Mount Toro camp. Less haze in the picture than yesterday. Some good news. We do have some high-level smoke coming through, but it's fairly thin. We have decent air quality. It's good to moderate across the region. But another thing you may notice is the low clouds out there as we continue to see that cool onshore flow. Let's switch over to our satellite picture right now, and we can see those low clouds pushing mainly onto the east side of the bay. We do have a little slice of sunshine in Monterey and Seaside, and also in Santa Cruz to around, Capitola or the New Brighton area right now. So we did get some clearing on the north and south sides of the bay. The east side of the bay remains pretty socked in, as does the Carmel Bay area. And along the coast, temperatures a little cool today. We're in the 60s in Monterey and Salinas, back up to 75 this hour in Santa Cruz, but inland still very warm. We cooled off a bit in the near coastal valleys, like maybe the northern Salinas Valley over to Hollister, but farther south it's 105 currently in Bradley, so there's certainly some heat there, and 98 up on Pacheco Pass, for example. Now, this heat is actually going to reach back toward the coast as we head through the next couple of days. The onshore flow we've been experiencing, which we'll see tonight on FUTURECAST, continuing to push those low clouds back in and some fog around the bay. We'll start to switch a little bit more over to the north. Instead of a northwesterly flow, we'll see a little bit more of a northerly flow kicking in tomorrow, and that will strengthen as we head into the day on Wednesday or Thursday, I should say. So temperatures will start to warm up tomorrow. I still think we'll see patchy fog around the bay tomorrow morning, and then a lot of those clouds will clear out in the afternoon with mostly sunny skies. So expect more coastal sunshine tomorrow and warmer temperatures across the board. You will get a little bit of a sea breeze in the afternoon to keep things cool on the south and east sides of the bay, but we'll definitely feel some warming out there as we look at comparison to today's highs. Unfortunately, that northerly breeze that starts to kick in over the ridges late tomorrow will probably also start to bring some smoke with it. So I do expect air quality to decrease late tomorrow, and probably more so on Thursday and Friday as some of that smoke settles into the region. I don't expect it to be terrible, but it will be elevated, and if you are sensitive to the smoke in the area, you may want to make plans to stay indoors over the next couple of days. And of course, we'll actually see that present in the sky as well with increased smoke. Temperatures tomorrow again warming back into the 80s in Santa Cruz, 75 in Capitola, but look at the mountains. We're creeping up into those upper 90s in Ben Lomond and Boulder Creek tomorrow, mid-90s from Scotts Valley all the way up 17 to the summit tomorrow. Watsonville and Aptos very comfortable with 70s to low 80s tomorrow, 80 in Salinas, but 95 in Hollister and 100 in Gilroy. Still comfortable back to the coast. Castroville, Marina in the low 70s. Monterey tomorrow in the low 70s as well, and Pacific Grove staying in the 60s. But down south, as you get away from the coast, we start to warm up with upper 80s in Carmel Valley and Big Sur. We're 90 degrees in Greenfield tomorrow, mid-90s in King City, and then there's those triple digits, 107 in Bradley tomorrow, 104 in Parkfield. And most locations will be even warmer on Thursday. So here's that extended forecast. Thursday, the warmest day of the week on the coast. And again, along the immediate coast, especially in the south and east sides of the bay, you're not going to get too hot, but our average coastal temperatures will be in the 80s, which means places like Santa Cruz, Salinas. I know Salinas is not exactly on the coast, but on the coastal plain there, will probably reach into the low 90s on Thursday. And then you'll start to cool back off Friday. It'll still be warm. The little clouds will roll in late, and then much cooler weather this weekend with the return of some of that, well, you know, summertime low cloud cover. Do we even have a name for that in October? Fogtober? Is that a thing? It'll feel like it this weekend. Looks pretty seasonable out of the weekend. Inland areas also pretty toasty, with Thursday being the hottest day. Breezy offshore winds over the hills causing increased fire danger. No alerts for that just yet, but we'll keep an eye on it. Fire danger will be high. You'll cool off this weekend as well, but through the end of the week, expect the heat.